Hello, my dear friend. Now you can see we are testing our new product, the cold multifunctional thermobinocular. Now let me show you. Today in our city is raining day with very heavy fog. Let me show you the image from our cold thermal imager.
对它的那个操作界面的话，是不是？但是这个我看能让他们再发一下，就是它的一些操作的一些界面的这样的其他系统，它可以，它这个它直接就自带，它的那个操作界面上就自带的。
You can see the target distance is around 1 kilometer. And in the extremely hard environment, the image also very clear. Now let me introduce the functions of our cold thermal imager. As you can see, the right button is for power on and power off. For this button, it is for video and picture replay. For this button, this one is infrared channel and TV channel change. And for this one, you can see, this one is for picture taking and video recording. And this one is laser range finding. As you can see, there are also 5 buttons. This one is menu button, and this part is for FOV plus and up, FOV up and FOV down. This one is focusing. These 2 buttons for focusing and for up and down. Now you can see our cold type thermal imager is waterproof level IP68. Even in the very heavy raining day, it can work very well, no any problem. You can see.